Oh, what's up, y'all? I didn't even see you there. What's cracking, y'all? So we're gonna get into 1985 Mango IPA. So I got some ribs going on the charcoal grill. Had to put the canopy up because it started thundering, and I guess it's gonna start storming here in a short bit. I don't want that to interfere with my damn ribs on the grill. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into this beer. So this is a Voodoo Ranger. Hold on, give me 1 second. Alright. So this is a Voodoo Ranger 1985 Mango IPA. Alcohol by volume 6.7%. And they got me with the mango. You guys know I'm a big fan of mango and pineapple, so let's give this a whirl. I do like the can though. Can's pretty badass. 1985. I think Greg Pena and Brett Forster were about 40 years old in 1985. Me, I was born in 1987. All right, let's try this out. Don't taste the mango. There's a slight hint on the tail end of a mango hint, but it's very mild. Tastes more like a IPA. It's okay. Would I pick it up again? I think I would. If I was craving an IPA, I'd probably pick this up again. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it a good 6.5, 7. It's okay. Not like I said, it doesn't have a big mango taste, but it's all right. All right, let me give you guys a quick pocket dump on this Saturday. Actually got a pen on me today. I had to go grocery shopping earlier, so I had the pen for the grocery list. There's the Pena clicker. I had this one. I sent this off to get Cerakoted bronzed. So this is one of my favorite pens. Nice Guy Machine Company, Mr. Nice Bar version 2. My favorite pry bar thus far. I'm getting in a pry bar and some titanium beads from 6G Hardware. I should get that in probably Monday or Tuesday, so I'll be doing unboxing on that. What else I got on me? Rustic Heirloom Hitchhiker and the Ghost Bourbon. Pocket knife. I am rocking the Loner from Richter Knives, the Jack Wolf Tango. Absolutely loving this knife. And it's about to start raining, damn it. Alright, let's make this quick. I'm also carrying in my Richter Knives leather slip, I'm carrying the Pena slip joint. This is the one that I had sent to me as a loaner knife, but I liked it so much that I asked him if I could buy it off of him. So he's letting me make payments on this. So shout out to Eddie. Thank you, buddy, for selling me this knife and for allowing me to make payments on it. What else I got on me? I got the Citizen Titanium Eco Drive. This is my fancy watch in the collection. I like watches, but I'm trying not to get too deep into all the high-end watches. This one, this Citizen in titanium, does it for me. So this is my dress watch, weekend watch. And another thing that I always have on me is this necklace. I got this for Christmas for my wife about 3 years ago maybe, and this is from Crafted, the company called Crafted. And I always have this necklace on me. I don't ever mention it because I forget that I have it on, but I never take this off. I shower with it, go to work, sleep, everything with it. So it hasn't come off in 3 years, and it has been it's been perfect. I've had no issues with this necklace. I'll probably do a quick video on this one of these days. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys have a good rest of your weekend. I'm gonna finish cooking up these ribs, probably make a reel with it. And yeah guys, it's starting to rain, so all right, see you guys later. You guys keep flicking them knives. Peace.